This is my starting weight. This is my weight 7 days into the raw vegan cleanse. This was my first time doing a 7-day raw vegan cleanse. And I am impressed because within 7 days, I lost 8.2 pounds. And I was eating more than I ever had. So that was definitely an eye-opener. You could basically get the same results with juicing, except you're eating. That's insane to me. So I'll share kind of like my experience during the 7 days, what I ended up eating, my favorite vegan meal that I made. And if you want to see the before and after results, definitely stick around and subscribe because I'll be sharing that on the final video that is showing the results for the full 21-day detox. But for now, I'll start by sharing my experience. So I started off really nice. I was eating lots of salads. It was very simple recipes like fruits and salads. I was eating avocado like crazy, but it was so good and filling. And I did find that after a couple of hours, I was hungry again. So that's why I mentioned I felt like I ate more than I ever had. And I felt really good. I felt energized. I slept really well. I have tons of energy. I'm sleeping really good and it's been great. So aside from that, I made things like zucchini pasta with the avocado garlic sauce. That was so good. I will have to say that was my favorite recipe during this entire cleanse. It was so good, so filling, and it almost didn't feel like it was raw because it was just that tasty. Even for dessert, I made something I've never made before. And honestly, I wasn't sure how it was gonna taste, but I made an avocado banana mousse with cinnamon. Yeah, same. I'm like, how would that taste? So I did find online that a lot of people add cocoa powder to it, which gives it like a chocolate mousse raw vegan dessert. But I couldn't use the cocoa because I was strictly no processed foods. So I went with the cinnamon and it was so good. So good. I didn't really have any withdrawals. Yeah, it was a smooth 10 out of 10 experience for me. So now I'm on to juicing. So stay tuned. I'll be sharing some of the recipes that I'm making and then I'll give you guys the end result on the 7 days of that as well. And now we have 14 days left to go with 7 days being juice only and the final 7 days being smoothie only. So stay tuned if you want to see those results and definitely be sure to subscribe. All right, see you guys.